All right, who's ready to make a mess out of mom's kitchen? This is a Why Not Italian pizza kit. Okay, we're gonna open the box and you'll see what's inside. We have our 14-inch dough, 2 souffle cups of pizza sauce, 3 souffle cups of mozzarella cheese, and a small souffle cup of Romano. The first thing you're gonna do is crust the dough. We're gonna make that edge that goes all around the dough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hand and we're gonna press it down and we're gonna make our crust on the dough. Okay, very easy. You just put your 4 fingers, making a little crust, make it just like that. The next step we're gonna do is called pinwheeling. I don't know if any of you have ever laid in the snow, but it is basically a snow angel. So we're gonna flip the dough back over, and I would suggest using a little extra flour on the table to do that. And you're gonna put your hands in and you're gonna make snow angels. Okay, so all of the dough is in the middle. We're gonna make snow angels to make that crust nice and profound around the edge, okay? The next step we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna slap this dough. This is when you're really having fun, right? And now watch closely because here comes the spin right here. You ready? Woo! I can't wait to see the videos of you doing that. That'll be fun. The next step here is we're gonna round the dough, make it even bigger. So at this point, guys, you don't necessarily need a pizza peel like we have in our restaurants, but you can use a cutting board or something. At this point, you really wanna have your cookie sheet preheating in the oven to 400 degrees. Make sure it's nice and hot. And what you'll do is you put a little bit of flour down on your wood and then make your pizza, and then we're gonna sauce it. We're gonna take the sauce from our kit right now, right into the center of the pizza. If you have a small ladle or a spoon, either one will work. You're gonna round the sauce out to make it nice and level across the entire pizza. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of cheese and we're gonna put a little bit of cheese on top of the dough, on top of the sauce. And now you have 3 souffle cups. This will be enough cheese to cover the entire pizza. So just put it in your hand and sprinkle it around the pizza. If you decide that you want to put toppings on the pizza, you can save 1 of the souffle cups and put the cheese on top of the toppings. So at this point, your pizza's ready to go in the oven. Take the board, slide it onto your pizza pan in the oven. I'd probably suggest mom and dad do this step, but you'll have the best part is eating it afterwards. When that masterpiece comes out of that oven, I need you to hashtag Why Not Italian. I can't wait to see it.